Starting it right now.
Okay.
Now we're here.
Sounds good.
Okay, we're recording now.
So yeah, any questions so far on the preparation assignment?
I felt pretty good with it.
Yeah, I felt like it wasn't too bad.
It's pretty easy compared to last week.
Yeah.
So we ready just to jump into the quiz then?
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Do you want me to share my screen again?
If you don't mind.
I don't.
You're the man.
I try. All right, you guys seeing my screen at the moment?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfecto. Okay, the simple stuff.
Okay.
All right. The blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. So we see what blood types O, AB, and AB. 0.45.
So that's total of 1.
That's what I was just saying.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's true.
True, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? So, I'm assuming we're using this table. Yeah, so it's using that table. So wouldn't that be 45% or 0.45?
Yeah, I guess it would be 0.45. Gosh, this is like so far even easier than the preparation.
Yeah.
So the next one is
Will not have
55, right?
0.55, yes.
Okay.
Okay, on to the harder ones maybe. Okay, so there's a story above, and then it says if the dogs guess at random, what is the probability they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? So everyone kind of take a second and read this story real fast.
Oh, this is crazy.
So 7 bowls containing urine, 7, and then 6 of the sample were from patient who did not have. So there's only 1 that have the bladder cancer.
Yeah, 1 out of 7.
So isn't it 1 divided by 6?
So essentially, it's okay. So it's
It'd be 7, wouldn't it? 1 divided by 7.
No, because there's only 1 sample.
There's 7.
Yeah,
there's 7 urine samples.
That's right, because it says, yeah, because there's 7 total samples. One's has it, 6 don't, but it's asking of random. So it's 1 out of 7. So 1 divided by 7 is 0.142 or 1/4. What does it say?
Just 0.14.
143. Yeah.
Yeah.
3 decimal. Yeah. So,
combination of 54 trials, the dog correctly identified the specimen of the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, or there's little evidence that dogs can detect. So the first one, right?
I would assume, I mean, there isn't like a whole lot of evidence, but I mean, it makes it sound like it, right?
Well, when it says that very unlikely that this would happen by
Yeah.
random chance, that says, yeah, that sounds like there's some strong evidence,
Yeah, makes sense.
I would think.
Let's see.
Okay. Provide strong. That's around about 41%.
Yeah, which is like 4 times higher than 1 divided by 7.
Yeah, so it's like instead of, yeah, if it was random, it would be, yeah,
Yeah.
14 times out of 100, and this is about half of that, right? So you'd expect about 7 times out of 50, and it's doing 22 times out of 50. So
Yeah, so makes sense.
okay, use the following in the following. Yeah, M&M colors, nice. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the possibility of drawing a red colored candy? Okay, so it looks like
Point.
green is marked out. That's kind of funny.
So green is
So-
16%. 0.16.
Yeah, that's the last.
Oh,
They're making us extrapolate. So, getting back to this, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? So 13 out of 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
But
Point.
Wouldn't it just be
0.12.
0.13?
yeah. Oops.
Do you see Claire's watching?
Yes. And then what were you saying about the green one? That's the 0.16.
0.16.
0.16.
You did the math. I sure didn't.
Candy is not green.
27.
So it'd be 84? 0.84?
Hold on. 1 minus 0.16. 84.
Yep.
0.84, yeah.
ACT scores. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? So if we look above, the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States, following statistics were calculated. It says half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
Oh, wait, hold on. Half of the option are less than or equal to what number? Wouldn't it be 24, the median?
The median.
Because the average is the thing, the median's the exact middle number, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the median is the middle. Oh, yeah. Wait.
Well, half average is just the average of the
average,
total.
it's the median because average
Uh-huh.
the average can get skewed if there's an outlier, right? So if you get
Right.
somebody saying 0, then it really skews the average, but the median won't. Yeah, so you're right, 24.
Okay. Because the top 25% of the students scored above what number? Above 27?
Fine. Hold on. Based on the information.
I agree. The Q3 is 27. They're above that. So they would do between 27 and 35.
Yeah.
Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability?
Not one. Okay. The sum, the bottom one.
Yeah, shows right here. Probabilities between 0 and 1. You list the outcome of the probability experiments, such as.
Third one, right?
If probably, yeah.
So.
Because a probability wouldn't ever be negative, would it?
No.
Yep, correct. All right, that's it. This might be an easy one today. I'm ready to submit. Just thinking about it. 100%. Very
Yay.
good.
Good job.
So right now, are we still planning on meeting a second time? Has anybody? I have not gotten into the lesson 5 yet, but
No, I have not. I'm just doing because over the weekend I was pretty busy, and so I have to finish my econ, my other ones before I can get to that one. And when is that due?
I did start the next one, but I was having some troubles with it, so
Density
we can get
curves
back to
and
that.
z-scores, huh?
Say it again?
The density curves and z-scores.
Yeah.
A little less obvious part of statistics, like the probability. I think probably most of us were semi-familiar with,
Yeah.
right?
So
When should we meet? Should we meet?
I'm okay with anything.
What did we do last week? Thursday evening? Is that what we did, or Wednesday evening? What was it?
Hold on, let's see.
I think we did Wednesday.
Because that seemed to work pretty well for me.
Yeah, Wednesday will be fine because I think Thursday, I'm not sure if we're going to the morning session of our stake temple day or the evening. So
Okay. So Wednesday?
yeah,
So
same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
sounds good. Well,
All
thank
right.
you guys.
Thank
Yeah,
you and have a
thank
great
you.
evening and
Good
enjoy
night,
your
guys.
week.
All right, we'll talk to you later.
All right. Bye-bye.